Hey everybody, this is Howard from PlugBait.com, and the reason you're getting this video message is because in the past, some of you have went to our website and you added some products to the shopping cart and then you decided not to purchase them. Well, I've got a special offer for you. If you go to our website now, PlugBait.com, and you look at our monthly kit, it's right here on the screen in front of you now, and you add it to the cart, use the special code PlugBaitKit. That's one word, no spaces. PlugBaitKit, and you'll get a tremendous savings. And by the way, our PlugBait kit, if you actually get it, will deliver to you all of our PlugBait products and goodies upwards of 30 to 40% less than if you bought them individually at our website. It's a veritable free giveaway. We want you to experience PlugBait and catch lots of fish. Now, when you go to our website, add the PlugBait kit, go to your cart, put in the discount code PlugBaitKit, and you'll automatically get the tremendous discount. Listen, remember, we're already 30, 40, 50% less than Gulp. And go to the PlugBait forums or to Fluke Forum at Facebook. Videos, pictures, they don't lie. We're on fire. The product works. We're a bunch of New Jersey guys. We're doing the right thing by you guys. How about it? Give us a shot. PlugBait.com.